Hey everyone, it's that time of year again to dress up these pants, so let's start. So just for starters, like I'm wearing my husband's old t-shirt and they're just so cute. They have pockets. They have pockets. Let's keep it cash. We're a girl on the go. We're a girl on the go. We're a girl on the go. Pew, 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 pew. We're running. We're jogging. We're a girl on the go. Pew, pew. How cute are these pants though? I'm not even like accessorizing. I'm just throwing on clothes just to show you how versatile these are. So here are some of our casual looks. Let's take this one from like casual gal on the go to like casual gal on the go plus. Let's do it. Super cute. I mean, it's cool. It's cash. I just realized I'm not wearing the right underwear, but it's okay because these are so cool. I was being a mime. I don't know if you picked up on it. I'm going to throw on some heels with this just to like bring it up a little bit, but like how flattering are they? Like where they sit, these pants with heels look so good. It doesn't matter what heels you wear, wear whatever you want. I really could have did my hair and makeup, but like it's about the pants. It's not about this. All right, let's change up this top. Okay. Yep. We're having fun. We're doing cool things. We're just having a good time. I think it's cute. I feel like a really sassy art teacher. Do you see how it's like elevating? Like it depends. I'm not doing my hair, I'm not doing my makeup, I'm not changing my shoes, and it just depends on the shirt. And these pants are like the sisterhood of the traveling pants. Like they're just like transformers. Like we're just transforming our looks and we're loving it. And they're so comfortable. All right, let's try on a few more tops just to see if we can keep maybe elevating this outfit and maybe seeing like at what point you think these pants are like so right for you, because I'm loving them. They're so comfortable. Does this work? I don't know. I think it does. It's just like relax and chill. And we're just like relax and we're chill. And it's giving like beachy New York and Company vibes. I don't know. I still think it works. Cute. Yeah, this is the last one. Like, what? Where am I going? Out for brunch? Don't know. Should I throw a blazer on with this? Like I feel like a blazer would look really cute. These pants are like shapeshifters. They're like, I'm here, I'm there, I'm here, I'm there. You can shop these pants through my links. They'll be linked. I love you guys. And don't miss out on them. They're really fun. Bye.